You're okay. Yeah. You've been helping me, haven't you? Hey. 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 You stay here while I film the birds dust bathing. They love dust bathing. It helps stop parasites. So cute. They get it like all the way into their skin. They love having some dust baths. Those two little girls slept outside last night because all the big hens, I got them in. And then they didn't let them in because the big hens rule the roost, followed by them and my little black hen over there. I'm going to have to put my other little coop around here. As I said, I've got a lot, but I've got one here. I just need someone to help me carry it. I can't carry it by myself. I don't want to drag it. I'll wreck it. Oh, sorry. She's taken her bathing spot. Love the water. It's nice, isn't it? Good boy. That's just a bit of tissue. I don't care about tissue. It'll disappear. I've put their food away and I need to capture someone and put them in through one of the other openings so they can see how to get in and get it, because he just keeps eating their food and it's not good. Like, look at him. Don't do that. Don't do that. Come here. I try and feed him at the same time, but he eats his food really quickly, whereas they snack. They're all doing pretty well considering there's a big dog next to them. They're getting used to him. I did her eye, so I don't want to touch the other chickens. They're all infected anyway. But it's not it's not going to go to the dog or eye. When it does jump, it'll be a different story. Jump species, I mean. That's some beautiful fermented food in there, poor girl. Okay. Okay. They're all behind the tree. Yeah, she's a good girl. They're all going really well. Even the one that's in here that's been quite sick, she's going really well. I could let her out. That one there. You're looking at me? Yeah, you're a good girl. You're so much better. Your eye was squinty because you had so many sores on it from fowl pox. You still got some, but they're healing up nicely. Well, Slinks, go around and pick up the bird food, kill the flies. Okay, thanks for watching.